because the prints look so terrible and they're so costly. Like if for most of these we'd have to fur out the walls. Well, you can't fur out walls real easy when you got goobers hanging on your wall and everything else, and you're normally to fur out a wall in a basement you could go in and do it with 2x2 or whatever else, but so that you can put drywall on the wall. But we don't do drywall. We finish our walls while we're printing. And the reason people quit doing interior walls, like everybody, is because it is so costly to make them look good enough to actually sell the home that was printed. Even though they printed a shell, exterior only, then they went back and framed next to all the walls so they could put drywall up to cover the ugly walls. And then they go pay $20,000 to stucco the outside of the house because it is also ugly, not a product that can be sold. You go, even a company like Icon, they printed 100 homes for Lennar. I went out there and looked at the last 5 homes they printed, not the first 5, okay? The first 5, they're trying to figure things out still, they're still, okay, the last of the 100 homes. And I walked through them. It's amazing to me that when I look at the stuff that you have different reporters and stuff going on in this job say, oh, aren't they wonderful? Oh, is this amazing? They're printing homes and stuff. This is amazing. It's amazing. I go out there and look at the last 4 homes and I'm like, this isn't amazing. This is shit. Okay? I started walking through cracks in every single room. Roof to floor. Goobers hanging here, hanging there. What are they doing? They're going in and trying to patch that stuff long enough to put some paint on the walls and sell the thing. It's going to be interesting what those homes look like a year from now.